Okay, let's take a look at question 24. We have the coach, and the coach wants to purchase shirts for $300, and we have this formula, and we want to know how many shirts could the coach order. Well, the first thing we're going to do, no matter how we do it, I'm going to replace C with 300. So I have 300 equals 0.2 x squared plus 1.6 x plus 15. And this is a case where no matter how you do it, you want to make it equal to 0, because I don't think, or maybe let's do it this way. I wonder if we can complete the square. Let's subtract 15 from both sides. So then we'll get 285 equals 0.2 x squared plus 1.6 x. We're going to divide everything by 0.2 so we can complete the square. So if we take 285 and we divide it by 0.2, we get 1425. That'll be x squared plus 1.6x divided by 0.2 is the same thing as 16 divided by 2, which is 8x. So now we can add half of 8 squared to both sides. So 4 squared is 16. So we're going to add 16 to both sides. So 1425 plus 16 gives us 1441. And on the left side, we'll go x plus 4 squared equals 1441. Then we can take the square root of both sides. X plus 4. Now, is the square root of 1441, is that a nice number? It's not. I'm going to leave it as the square root of 1441 for right now. Plus or minus. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 1441. Now if we take negative 4 plus 1441, we get 1437. No, we don't. Sorry about that. Negative 4 plus the square root of 1441. And I can't type that in my calculator, so give me a second. I get 33.9. And if I do negative 33.9, not 33. Okay, so I get 33.9. And then if I do minus, I'll get a negative. You can't order a negative number of shirts. Now you can't order 33.9 shirts. So we're going to say 33 shirts is how many the coach could order for and still be under $300. Now, could we have graphed that? Sure, we could have graphed it. No one says you have to do it by completing the square. I just chose to do it by completing the square. So if I was going to graph this, I would have graphed my related function been y equal, whoops, can't read that. That would have been y equals 0.2 x squared plus 1.6x minus 285. And let me see if what I got open here. I got a bunch of stuff open. There we go. Let's graph that. So y equals, if I remember right, what was it? 0.2x squared plus 1.6x, and then minus 285, right? And then I'll zoom my graph in and notice we get about 33, don't we? So no matter how you do this problem, you'll get the same answer. Just do whatever way you want to do it. Now on question 25, we got the soccer ball. It's kicked from the ground, and it follows a parabola given by that equation. Well, at the same time, we're going to solve the equation. Notice y equals 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace y with 2 in my equation. So now we're going to say 2 equals negative x squared plus 3x. Now, I don't like my x being negative. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to factor this because I think it might be the shortest way to do it. I'm going to add x squared and subtract 3x from both sides. Add x squared and subtract 3x. So then I'm going to get x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So notice that factors to x minus 2 and x minus 1. The reason I chose factoring, because I had nice numbers, and it makes it kind of nice to do it. It's simple to do it. So x equals 2 or x equals 1. Now remember, y is always 2, so I got 2 points. 2, 2, and 1, 2. And there's your answer. Now in 26, we got Mason. He bought a hot water tank for $47.50. He took a loan that charges an annual rate of 5.5%. So that's going to be F, isn't it? So F of T will be how much he has to pay for the hot water heater if he doesn't make any payments. So it'll be $47.50 times, and we're going up by 5.5%. So 1 plus, or I'll say 1.055 to the T power. And then to find his warranty is G of T. He's just going to pay $125 every year for that. So to find F plus G of T, we're going to add them up. And they don't have any like terms, so it's $47.50 times 1.055 raised to the T power plus 125T. And what that means, it'll be the cost of the hot water heater if he doesn't make any payments. And there we have it.